The modern industrial plant site, mainly with manual management, cannot accurately manage personnel and materials. The security of personnel and materials of enterprises is facing threats. Strangers enter plant sites. Employees enter dangerous areas by mistake. Materials are illegally handled, etc. To cope, EHIGH high-precision positioning system fuses tenant management and access control system based on facial recognition, high-accuracy positioning system, and video monitoring system to provide the enterprise with efficient management service and eliminate potential safety hazard. The attendant management and access control system adopts an advanced technology of facial recognition for attendance management and access control. The system will recognize the employee's identity in milliseconds when they face the camera after entering the attendance management area, and will record the attendance information, which is efficient and convenient without need for additional labor power. After the personnel enter the plant site, the security task is handed over to the high-accuracy position system instantly, which has base stations covering the whole plant site to realize real-time and dead zone-free position. Through information communication between the positioning card and multiple base stations, it figures out the real-time position of employees. The Remote Monitoring Center displays employees' positions in real time with movement trajectory clear at a glance. The facial recognition system judges the ingress purview for specific areas to realize management of multi-level purviews. There is no dead zone for employees' positions from outdoors to indoors. The 3D positioning function can master height positions of employees in real time. The regional purview management will give an alarm for the employees who enter the region yet with no purview and remind them to evacuate. The cameras are linked to display field pictures in real time to lower potential safety hazards. The materials position is monitored in real time. When materials are moved outside the safety zone without permission, the positioning card gives an alarm automatically to prompt that this operation is illegal, thereby enhancing materials management and keeping business property safe. The function of displaying people quantity in the region can monitor the people quantity in real time, making the users know the people quantity and distribution in the plant site, like the palm of their own hands. In the case of dangerous accidents in the plant site, the system will give an alarm in time to notify the field personnel to evacuate, thereby guaranteeing personal safety of employees. Accurate management over employees and materials guarantees high production efficiency and personal and property security. Apart from industrial plant side, EHIGH high-precision positioning system is also applicable to coal mines, zoos, nuclear power stations, museums, warehouses, parking lots, tourist attractions, robots, chemical plants, steel plants, prisons, transformer substations, etc. Our lofty mission is to guarantee security of employees and materials for the enterprises, and our direction of efforts is always to help the enterprise to advance. Pursuit of perpetual high craftsmanship and lofty professional ethics is our steadfast tenet and spirit.